Are you interested in having detailed insights on your business data? Meet INSIA, a tool that offers a one-of-a-kind method of human data interaction in the form of a guided search bar, making analytics much more accessible for everyone to understand. Let us see what this great software is all about and discover a great deal for you and your business. INSIA will provide recommendations based on the user's search pattern, data access, and organization role to guide them through the entirety of the path leading to the discovery of insights as soon as the cursor is placed on the search bar. Additionally, INSIA has over 1,000 plug-and-play domain-specific KPIs, enabling businesses to launch operations in record time. If you use this tool, you will be able to experience analytics in a way that you have never done. You can gain insights from data at any time and location, and you don't need analytics teams or specialized technical knowledge. You will only be required to type in keywords using natural language, and INSIA will walk you through the rest of your journey through your insights. This entire process takes place in seconds rather than hours or even days. It functions in the same way as your preferred search engine, but it is designed specifically for the data related to your business. Additionally, INSIA can integrate with most data from ERPs, cloud databases, Excel spreadsheets, and even marketing channels. In addition, it provides a no-code KPI builder for all of your unique KPI requirements, and if you ever find yourself pressed for time during meetings, INSIA can generate a report for you in a matter of seconds. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Get detailed data analysis to grow your business using INSIA. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.